So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you latest important updates about Apu Coin, its price prediction 2025, and its Binance Exchange listing because this meme coin is still not listed on Binance Exchange because it's a frog theme meme coin and other frog theme meme coin just like Pepe and Bread. Okay, you can see its market is already $282 million. That's awesome. Last 24-hour trading volume is $14.7 million. So this meme coin is looking awesome because its market cap is awesome, its trading volume is amazing, and still this meme coin is not listed on Binance and many other major central exchanges, but definitely we can see it's listing on all other major central exchanges, and this coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin. But friends, before further details about ApuCoin, if you like my content and if you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I have provided you these all my crypto addresses links in description. And also on my Telegram channel, you have to copy from description or join my Telegram. You will click here in pin message. You can get these addresses. Just you have to copy these addresses and you can support Sky Crypto channel by BNB, Ethereum, Tron, and Solana. Just like I shared you to many thousand X potential meme coins with you, and if you support more and more Sky Crypto channel, then I will also share you my holding. Okay, that which meme coins I'm holding right now. As okay, yesterday I buy this meme coin that I already holding, but today I buy a few more selfie doge coins here. So if you wanna also watch which meme coin I'm buying, okay, so you have to support Sky Crypto channel. The France Upper coin current price 0.3 times 0 at $3, and this is another frog theme meme coin. Last 30 days pump by almost 15%. In last 14 days jump by almost 21% here. So this dump is good for us that we can buy this meme coin at low price. Last 24-hour trading volume is $14.7 million. This is good. 420 billion coin supply, almost all in circulation. And I can see friends why this meme coin is so unique and why this meme coin can be the next $1 billion market meme coin. Reason is this. Okay, Murad picks. Okay, so Murad, who earned more than $100 million in meme coins, is holding Apu coin. Okay, so that is the reason. That's why Apu coin can be the next bread or can be the next Pepe. Also, we are 43% down the all time high that was just 16 days ago. So just 16 days ago, this meme coin has made its all time high, and we are almost for 4,000% up the all time low. There were 9 months ago. 9 months ago, coin was trading with five zeros, and its max all time high there was 16 days ago and killed three zeros. So this is amazing performance from this meme coin, friends. This is really amazing. But you can see still there's no crypto.com, there's no KuCoin exchange yet, there's no Binance Coinbase, but Kraken has listed. This is awesome. Okay, this massive listing for this meme coin. Kraken has listed, Get.io has listed, MEXC has listed, and Bing X has listed this coin, but still there's no even Bybit, no Crypto.com, no KuCoin. So it's loads of central exchange listing left for this meme coin that when it will listed on these all major central exchanges, then definitely we can see this meme coin to the moon. If a website is also looking good, okay, you can check out the website here, and this chart, this Telegram, is Twitter, and you can buy this meme coin directly on their website. Ethereum ecosystem meme coin, here you can see friends. Okay, contract Ethereum, okay, and Solana, and also on Base. These are the central exchanges where this meme coin listed here, and it's the lowest of central exchange listing left for this meme coin that maybe we can see is listing on or other central exchanges in coming few maybe days or in coming few weeks. And friends, as I like to show you, 420 billion coin supply burned. It's almost 20% supply is burned. 9.7, okay, 19.7% supply is already burned. So this is awesome. That's burning is amazing. So it's almost 20% supply is already burned. So this I like too much here. And you can check out all further details on their website. And friends, on Ethercoin, you can check out all further details about this meme coin. These are some recent transaction for this meme coin. Okay, on Etherscan, number of folders and all further details here. So friends, no doubt token is very good, and this is another frog theme meme coin, as we have massive trend for dog theme meme coin, cat theme meme coin, but this is frog theme meme coin just like Pepe and Bread and Hoppy. So and this meme coin is also held by Mirage, so that's why I'm very bullish about this meme coin. I'm already holding this meme coin on MEXC exchange. Okay, but in low amount. Okay, not much investment in this meme coin, But friends, if I found another dip in this meme coin price, then definitely I'm going to invest some more amount here, because I think in next year mega bullion we can see its market up to maybe $5 billion or maybe more. Okay, right now just $282 million market, but it's possible that we can see its market up to 5 billion or maybe more. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? You can must comment down below.